Winter in Ladakh hides many secrets. And I'm here in a land where survival is silence, looking for a cat that doesn't want to be found. My nose is freezing right now. Oh, I think it just noticed us. If people never see the palace cat, it's easy to forget that it ever existed. My name is Arzu and I'm a wildlife photographer. It's been more than a decade of being into wildlife photography and took me, almost 12 years to be here. I was always very scared of the heights, I was always very scared of the cold. But this time I finally thought that I need to do this. And after this, finally the search begins for the Palace cat. And in this visit, not just the terrain is a challenge, not just the environment is a challenge, and not just the cold in December is a challenge. The challenge is that I'm not carrying my lenses, I'm not carrying my cameras this time. I'm here with this beautiful phone, the new Vivo X300 Pro, that is meant to capture wildlife. And I love challenges. So let's see if I'm able to do it or not. I thought I'll explore the village today. तो स्कूल में क्या क्या पढ़ाते हैं बताओ? मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं? मैथ्स में क्या क्या पढ़ाते हैं? Just exploring whatever is happening, because the best way to know a place is to know its people and to know its culture up close. That's what I thought for today, and that is why I'm here. झूले
झूले
कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक है।
इतना ठंड है यहाँ पर, ठंड नहीं लगता है इतना रहने में यहाँ पर?
ठंडा हमें तो हर साल बैठा नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं लगता।
कितना वक्त हुआ यहाँ पे आपको?
71।
और यहाँ पर आसपास में, गांव के आसपास कभी कोई जानवर देखा, कोई बिल्ला देखा या
नहीं, ये 2-3 है हमारी इधर।
बिल्ला? हम तो उसको ही फोटो लेने को आए, हमको तो मिल नहीं रहा है इतने टाइम से। आपसे बात करके बहुत मज़ा आया। आपका एक फ़ोटो ले लूँ? ये टोपी और ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, तो एक फ़ोटो ले लें आपका, ठीक है? चलें। हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसे बड़ा वाला स्माइल। Time for a nice portrait now, and I want the prayer flags and the clouds in the background in our frame. So it's a challenge in itself to survive over here. And when I know all that, and when I talk to the people over here, in fact, they told me that they would never want to step out of this place. That in itself is very inspiring. My nose is freezing right now. I can't feel anything on the nose. The air is cold, dry. It's pretty cold here. Hands are freezing. We have to climb a bit because the cat is normally in this area.
पॉलिसीज कैट पहले बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत, बट अभी रिसेंटली दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस की वजह से वो चला गया।
लास्ट इधर आके किस एरिया में दिखा था आपको पलास?
मोस्टली वहाँ पे उस जितना भी वो बुशिस के
हाँ।
सामने ना पाइकास बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं वहाँ पे।
हाँ हाँ,
तो पालस किट यहाँ से वहाँ तक हंट के लिए जाते हैं।
एक बार बाइनॉक्स मुझे दीजिए, मैं भी देखूँ।
हाँ
किधर को?
मूव हो रहे 12 o'clock से राइट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, स्लो स्लो
ओके।
फुल्ली फ्लेट होके चल रहा है राइट की तरफ, यहाँ पे हाँ, पीछे की तरफ जा रहा है, पीछे
कितना
की तरफ
छुपा
जा
हुआ
रहा है।
है ये, सिर्फ टेल से पता लग रहा है थोड़ा सा।
हाँ,
वाओ।
ये फुल्ली कैमोफ्लेज है।
We finally saw the cat, but we just saw it because it's too far, and we could only make out from the tail because it's
वो
totally
जब पाइका देखते हैं तो टेल काफ़ी मूविंग
move
करते
करता
हैं,
है।
तो वो अभी कंफर्टेबल से काफ़ी हंट कर रहे हैं, तो टेल मूव कर रहे हैं।
Okay. And there is the cat. I'm so glad that we saw it. Shot नहीं है अभी क्योंकि बहुत दूर है. Oh, I think it just noticed us because it's looking right at us. These guys are like very shy. The moment they notice you, they can just quickly run away.
या हमें देख ली शायद।
So we decided to wait and we spent a couple of hours there. And lucky for me, I saw a great rosefinch sitting over there. When people talk about Ladakh, they often think about the snow leopard and the Palas cat. Hardly anybody knows that this is a great place for birding also. And I've spotted a beautiful bird right there. And I'm going to shoot a nice photograph. Little far, but I think the telephoto on this phone can easily manage it. I'm back at the homestay and the temperature is still dropping. It's getting colder and colder. Nights here are pretty cold and weather today, it's all cloudy. We got the Palas cat, but the photograph was not what really I was looking for. We're going there tomorrow again. I just hope the weather clears tomorrow morning and I actually get the shot that I was looking for. Stop, stop, stop. I see a herd of wild asses over there. I'm going to take a photograph. The beauty of wildlife is to capture such unplanned moments. And the more you capture such moments, the more you feel connected to nature. Awareness is the first step to conservation. And that is why this journey is really important. People never see the Palas cat. It's easy to forget that it ever existed. And I'm really looking forward to have one good photograph of the cat today. Guys, you stay here. The cat is very shy. I'm gonna go there, be here, because one wrong move and the search ends here. So it's been a while I've been looking for the cat and there are a lot of pika holes. So I think it's better if we maybe just lie down over here, wait for some more time. Searching for the Palas cat is not like a safari. It's about listening and waiting for the mountains to respond. I've been waiting here for the cat to come out and now I guess it's just the patience game. We have to sit, see and keep waiting, and that is what wildlife is. I think I need some extra range over here. So I'm gonna put the telephoto extender. I think we got it, finally. We got the cat. I forgot about the MS, I forgot about the height, I forgot about the challenges, I just shot it. We got what we were looking for. They often say that whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger, so probably something like that happened.
Photograph can't save a species, but it can at least start a conversation.